a very popular app that many people use to check out videos from any topic or genre you could possibly imagine. And why is that important to you as a heat printer? Well, because there are a lot of hacks on there. And in this video, we're gonna take a deep dive on 3 top hacks that heat printers are talking about when it comes specifically to using heat transfer vinyl. Let's go ahead and get started. One of the first hacks is using a lint roller to hold the excess material of the heat transfer vinyl that you are weeding away. Because of the tackiness of the lint roller, it does a great job of holding the little pieces of vinyl so that you don't have a huge mess after you are done weeding. Once the lint roller is full, you'll just refresh it by getting rid of that sheet, and then you'll have more of the tackiness of the rest of the lint roller to utilize. Another TikTok hack is using heat to weed away excess material so that it will speed up that process quicker. So a lot of people will do this by just utilizing their heat press, and they'll lock down their upper heating element so it will warm their bottom platen. They'll do this for anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute. That makes the platen nice and hot, so whenever I place my heat transfer vinyl down on my platen, it's actually going to warm this up, and it allows the heat transfer vinyl to release from the carrier a lot simpler so that it decreases my time spent whenever I'm weeding away the excess material, because that material is just peeling away so much faster. Now there is another solution to speeding up that weeding process so that you're not tying up your heat press. This is called a weeding panel, and what this does is it's just a tabletop heated element. It heats up to about 120 degrees so that you're getting enough heat to make its way through the heat transfer vinyl and soften up that adhesive so that the weeding process is much simpler. Now this is the same result that you would get if you were using this on the heat press, but what this weeding panel is going to do is allow you to have a different work area, not have to constantly reheat like you would have to do with the heat press, or if someone else is doing the heat printing as you are doing the weeding, you now have another work area and you don't have to worry about tying up your heat press for the weeding process. Another great hack that we find to be very successful is finding center of your design by taking the start point and the end point and folding it in half opposite end of the sticky side. So my F is going to meet my N over here. And once I have found my start and stop point, I'm gonna go ahead and pinch the top, right? I'm not gonna fold all the way down because I don't wanna ruin the adhesive of my heat transfer vinyl. So I'm just gonna pinch the top, and that has then shown me exactly where is center of my design so that I can lay that down correctly and line it up with my shirt so that it is exactly center of my t-shirt. And then we can heat press. And my heat transfer vinyl custom t-shirt is complete. There are so many hacks and tips and tricks when it comes to heat transfer vinyl and heat printing. These are just a few that we have found to be very successful when it comes to working with heat transfer vinyl. There may even be some that you know of that weren't shown in this video. And if you'd love to share, be sure to comment in the section below. For more information on the products used in this video, check out the links in the description.